Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Discover Reloadable card online, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your prepaid card. Step 1. Visit the Discover prepaid card website or the activation link provided in your card's packaging materials. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register Card button on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your prepaid card number exactly as it appears on the front of your Discover Reloadable card. Step 4. Provide the security code or CVV found on the back of your card for verification. Step 5. Create a username and password for your online account to manage your card in the future. Step 6. Fill in your personal information, including full name, date of birth, social security number, and mailing address as required for activation. Step 7. Review all entered information for accuracy and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 8. Click the Submit or Activate button to complete the process. You'll receive confirmation that your Discover Reloadable card is now active and ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.